Hi, I'm Bayley. I'm a student and an athlete. I study sports therapy at university and I represent Great Britain in archery. As a junior athlete, I'm most proud of winning a silver team medal at the European Youth Championships in 2016. As a senior, I'm most proud of qualifying twice for the Indoor World Cup finals, once in 2019 and once in 2020. Archery is very big in Britain. It's one of our traditional sports. We currently have over 46,000 people officially registered as archers in Great Britain. COVID-19 has really affected my tournament schedule. Last year I was only able to compete at 3 events, 2 of which were at the beginning of the year and 1 was in the summer when our restrictions had relaxed. Now I don't know when our next tournament will be. I think they'll be May or June. I have decided to start learning Croatian mainly because of my fiancé. He's Croatian. I want to be able to speak to him and his family in their mother tongue. Plus, I would like to one day be able to live and work in Croatia. I'm currently at home in Britain. I study the classes virtually through Zoom. Also, when I'm in Zagreb, I also study the classes online. Croatian is so challenging because it's so different than English, but it's really enjoyable. All my classmates are really lovely and I really like the challenge of learning a new language. Croatian is actually the first time learning a second language for me. Croatian is really unusual for me because it's just so different than English, but being with my fiancé for the past 5 years has made me so familiar with the language, which means I hear it a lot and it's something that doesn't sound so unusual anymore, even if I can't understand it. My favorite dish would be borek sa sirom. I know that this is not something exclusively Croatian, but it is something I tried when I first came to Zagreb. We don't have it back at home, and it's something I can't make, but it's something I would really want to learn in the future. Hvala vam za gostoprimstvo. Čuvajte se u ovim teškim vremenima.